Golf Alpha Whiskey, final for 28.
Golf Alpha Whiskey, wind 250 degrees, 10 knots. Golf Alpha Whiskey, are you familiar with the airfield, sir?
Negative. We're here for jet fuel as well, please.
You after fuel, sir?
Jet fuel, please, yes.
Roger that. Right, the fuel is in the black bows at Jet A1, so if you want to make a left hover taxi to the Jet A1, just give that Cessna wide berth.
To the right, hover taxi. You go around the back if you want, over the corner.
Yeah, that's the best thing, over the field and then approach the black bows and then park on the grass on the immediate west side of that bow there.
Roger, Golf Alpha. Alpha Whiskey is here, okay?
Alpha Whiskey, yeah, if you can park more on the west side, we'll be sure of getting to you with the fuel. I take it you fuel on your left-hand side, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anywhere around there will be fine.